Hey guys, Eric here at Pioneer Survival Company. Today I wanted to go ahead and do a review on a product I just got. It is the Hammock V Insulated Sleeping Pad by Klymit, along with the Pillow X by Klymit. Now let me tell you, this product completely blew me away. Get ready to get pumped up, pun intended. Alright, so the Klymit V, they've got two different models. One is insulated, one is non-insulated. I went ahead and opted for the insulated one because they actually say it's a four-season sleeping pad. However, it only has an R rating of 4.4, so it's just touching on the warmer temperatures of winter. I would not take this thing out unless you have an underquilt or something like that. If it's 15-degree weather, you're gonna get cold in this. However, I was just out last night, and I think it got down to around 30, 35, but probably mid to high 30s, and I mean, I was toasty. However, I also did have a sleeping bag that was rated to 10 degrees, so that obviously bumped up my R rating quite a bit and kept me nice and toasty all night. They say that it takes about 15 to 20 breaths to blow up the Hammock V. I can confirm this. It actually took me 20 breaths. So, I was kind of talking in between breaths and stuff too, so I probably wasn't getting full breaths then. But yeah, it took about 20 breaths for me, so no big deal there. It was pretty quick to blow up. It has these awesome side flaps on it. Now these side flaps are so that when you put it down in the hammock, it actually curves up around your body. That way you're not pressing right against the hammock and getting the cold air from the outside, freezing your arms and the sides of your stomach, things like that. It worked great. I was very impressed by that. Also, on the back of it, I don't know if you can see this too well, but it has like a rubberized pattern on the back of it in various places. This pattern, rubber pattern on it, keeps it from sliding down in the hammock, so you stay in place all night. Very comfortable sleep. Can't complain at all about that. Flip this thing over. It's got both your inflate and deflate here. The inflate is nice because, as you can see, it's blown up. I'm not blowing it into it right now, and it's not leaking air. It's got one-way valve on it. You can blow air in, it won't come back out, so you can stop in between breaths and not have to screw anything shut or anything. Very nice in my opinion. The other side is a quick deflate valve, and I'll go ahead and let me go ahead and put it in the hammock first so you can see how it feels, and then I'll deflate it and see how quick it goes down and packs up. I do have I've got a two-person hammock here. I like the extra space in it so I can really spread out, or down at the bottom if I just want to throw some gear in it. I've got room. But this actually, I was a little concerned that maybe it would be a little too big to hold the Hammock V. It might flop around, but I didn't have any issues with that at all. So as you can, you probably can't see, but these actually, like I was saying, fold up right around you. So your arms and your legs are never touching the side of your hammock. Keeps you nice and toasty all night long. Oh man. I could probably go back to sleep right now. This is nice. It's still a little bit, a little brisk outside, huh? I'm not sure what the temperature is right now. I think it's probably about 40 degrees maybe. And I mean, I don't even have a blanket or anything on it. I can feel that warmth on me right now. So that's pretty nice. All right, well, let's go ahead and get this thing deflated. As you can see, it's pretty much that quick. This thing's flat pretty much now. I would go ahead and, I'm not going to do it right now because I don't want to throw it down. There's some mud on the ground. I'm going to take my tarp down and roll this thing up, but as you can see, I mean, most of the air is already out of it, and as you fold it up, it only takes seriously like 30 seconds to fold this thing up. The air just comes right out as you fold it up. So no complaints there at all. I love this pad. Wish I had had this ages ago. You know, I hated hammock camping when it got cold, and now I can do it. So very impressed by that. And onto the Klymit Pillow X. I mean, not a whole lot to say about it. It's an inflatable pillow. It does its job. It has the valve on it too. This is not a one-way valve though. If you quit blowing into this, it deflates. But so that's how quickly it's, you know, ready to fold up, be done. Two breaths, it's full. I did notice that it's easier when you get it almost full, keep blowing into it and screw this shut while you're blowing into it. Because the air will kind of seep out if you don't. But other than that, you know, it's like glamping, man. It makes the experience all that much better, especially after you've been out all day busting your ass or hiking. You know, it's just, yeah. It makes it so much more comfortable to hop into a nice, snug, comfortable hammock and get a good night's sleep. All right. Well, if anybody has any questions, feel free to check us out on social media. We're on Facebook and Instagram at Pioneer Survival Company. Also swing by, check our website at pioneersurvivalcompany.com.